Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to call someone on Messenger. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, give your login details and log in into your Facebook or Messenger account. Once you do that, on your screen, you can see there are options like menu, create new message and search bar. Go to the search bar and look for the person you want to make call to. Then open the conversation. Then on the top right corner you can see two options, one a phone like option and another video like option. Make sure you allow permission to microphone from your settings and just tap on that phone like icon. And guys, that's it. That's how you call someone on Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.